Today I am reviewing the Mantis V2 Gaming Desktop. If at any time you'd like to explore this gaming PC for yourself, be sure to check the link in the description. If you're in the market for a powerhouse gaming desktop that combines raw performance with future-proof features, let me introduce you to the Mantis V2 Gaming Desktop by Empowered PC. This machine isn't just built for today's games. It's engineered for tomorrow's most demanding titles, creative workloads, and immersive virtual experiences. At the heart of the Mantis V2 lies the AMD Ryzen 7 9800X 3D processor. With 8 cores and 16 threads, clocking in at a base speed of 4.7 GHz and boosting up to 5.2. It offers elite-level performance tailored for gamers and creators alike. Built on AMD's 4nm architecture, it brings unmatched efficiency, heat control, and blistering speed for CPU-heavy games and productivity tasks like video editing, 3D rendering, and streaming. But what really makes this desktop shine is its NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5090 GPU. Yes, the 5090, with a staggering 32GB of GDDR5 memory. This is next-gen gaming on steroids. Whether you're maxing out the latest AAA games at 4K Ultra settings or diving into complex ray tracing and DLSS-enhanced visuals, this GPU ensures silky, smooth gameplay with frame rates north of 100, even in the most demanding scenarios. For VR enthusiasts, this is the GPU that eliminates lag and brings your virtual world to life. Now let's talk memory and storage. This beast comes loaded with 96GB of DDR5 RAM, running at high speeds to crush multitasking and future-proof your system for years. Whether you have multiple Chrome tabs open, a Twitch stream running, and you're editing a 4K video in Premiere all at once, this desktop won't even flinch. Storage? You get not one, but two 2TB PCIe Gen4 NVMe SSDs, giving you lightning-fast boot times, blazing application launches, and ample space for your entire game library, creative files, and more. Combined, that's 4TB of ultra-fast solid-state storage. No more loading screens, no more lag. On the outside, the Mantis V2 brings style and functionality together with its brushed aluminum front panel wings, tempered glass side panel, and 6 ARGB PWM fans that not only keep your system cool under pressure, but also add dynamic RGB lighting to your setup. Whether you're streaming or just enjoying the glow, this case is a centerpiece, not an eyesore. Connectivity is top-notch, too, with Wi-Fi 6E, Bluetooth, HDMI, DisplayPort, and a selection of USB ports. You're well equipped for everything, from dual monitor setups to wireless peripherals. And yes, it comes pre-installed with Windows 11 Pro, giving you the latest features, enhanced security, and full compatibility with both work and play environments. Empowered PC goes a step further by including a rainbow backlit keyboard and LED mouse, so you're ready to go right out of the box. Plus, this system is assembled in the USA, stress-tested for stability, and comes with lifetime technical support and a 3-year limited hardware warranty. That's the kind of peace of mind you rarely get in the pre-built space. To sum it up, if you're a gamer who wants ultra settings, a streamer who demands stability, or a creator who needs serious horsepower, the Mantis V2 is the ultimate all-in-one solution. It's not just a gaming PC. It's a performance workstation, an RGB masterpiece, and a long-term investment for anyone who doesn't want to compromise.